vanish blackheads fast and have a flawless skin. So one thing about blackheads is that they are a mild type of acne that form when hair follicles become clogged with a plug of oil and dead skin cells. So what happens is this: it's like when the oil of your sebaceous gland, which produces sebum, begins to clog. When it begins to clog into a skin, it's dead skin cells, it begins to form blackheads because it's living in the inside. So instead of living in the outside, it's now living in the inside and needs to be flushed away, thereby causing you that blackhead, at times painful, at times painless. So what you have to do is this. So you have to know that the causes ranges from too much oil on your skin, your neck, your chest, your back, and at times abnormal form of keratin, that is the protein that helps make your hair and skin nails. Again, it could be as a result of maybe increased presence of bacteria and hormones, that is the androgen. The androgen hormone is the male hormone that produces too much on the male human. One of the best way to treat this is by salicylic acid. That is the application of salicylic acid on that particular black spot. If you can see this, can you see there? So there's one under here and some here. So they already gone. You get. So the application of salicylic acid, I don't have some here, I would have showed you. So when you apply that for about 2 weeks or so, ensuring you have patience and endurance, definitely the blackheads will be gone within a few days to weeks. So the other thing you need to do here is the application of azelaic acid, because it kills the microorganism on your skin. It kills it totally. That is like what we call it biostatics, right? Biostatics. So that is killing. So the other form of treatment to um, blackheads is benzoyl benzoyl peroxide. That is the use of benzoyl peroxide acid. Again, the use of retinoids and oral antibiotics to kill these blackheads totally. That is total eradication of blackheads from your skin. Also, the use of laser treatments. Laser treatment is one of the most effective way, but at times might be uh, prescribed by your doctor and be under guide and supervision. Yeah, so the use of laser treatment, because it removes it from the deep root of where it is living and is being eradicated away. So with that being said, I hope this helps you out there to get full eradicated of your blackhead. I'll see you on the other side.